What's up everyone, this is Mr. Fusion Designs and welcome to another build. This is the Batmobile Tumbler Pack 2 from Hachette and we will be doing issue 3 and 4. So that is the front, so flip it over to the back. Carefully lay that down. There are indicators on here going left, if I could just find where that was. If it's just a close up on that. Quite difficult to see, but there is an L right there. So I'm not doing it. Here we have it this way. Just line this up. The instruction says not to use any glue. Just line it up carefully. Take your time, no rush. So it just clicks in place as you see. So that's one. There is a right indicator there too. I believe it's just there. Can't see it. Again, line this up. And it just clicks in place like that. You clean up all the fingerprints after. So this is the... Let's just see if we could see that. We'll be able to see that, but there is an L on this window wiper. But the L now, when facing up, is to the left. Just slightly in place. Push down. And it's as easy as that. Same again on the other side, the right side, there's a R on there, showing which way it is. Taking my time, not trying to rush this. And that fits quite well. So that's the end of that issue. So we have issue 4 here. Let's just open it up. So we have brake discs and calipers and arms and all sorts here. Let's just take a look at the magazine. I will be scanning these and putting on our Facebook group, which is the Tumbler. You will see it just on there. If you search it, you will find it. But this one looks like a bit more involved, so let's get on with this one. Just to show you, I nearly threw this out. It was in the packaging, so make sure it's in there. This is the gift that comes with the subscription. It is the key ring. Oh, it's not too bad. It's quite nice. Doesn't have too much weight to it though. I don't really make out. I think there's some kind of number on there, but that's the keyring. So make sure to check your packaging before you throw it out. So now we have this part. Now I believe there is a way to put this there. This is, as you can see, close up, more right in the middle. The one that is more lower. Going over. Oh, do it. Just lower that into this section. And we will be putting 2 AM screws, I believe. This screwdriver is going to work today. This is going into metal, so I will be using, I have a bit of oil. I use RC bearing oil, but you can use, like Wayne always uses, the 3-in-1 oil, which is on his Amazon shop. Just head over to that and you'll get some. Now that's installed, flip it over. We have now this arm. This is metal, that was plastic, this metal, that's metal. So let's rest that. Let's see if I can get move a few things out the way. But there is just a rest there. So just rest it onto that, and then with this screw bit hole, it just rest onto that. It is a little bit tricky, but hopefully I got that in place. So again, let's just find that with a AM screw. Oops. Bit more oil. It is metal. Not over tighten that, just enough so it holds in place. So we have the brake disc here. I'm glad they did something with it instead of just a plain. Guess it can be a little bit more better, but I think still there's detail. So there's a peg there, just line that up to that. So as you can see, there's some holes. Take 2 SP screws. Don't over tighten them, there's no need for that. That's the disc. Let's move on. This is the arm. So let's hold it as that with this part facing down. Take this part and place it just like that. So we will have 2 AM screws. Could get them out. Okay. It is going into metal, so just a bit on the tip. That's in place. It's just so there's no wobble. If you don't have any wobble, that's fine. Take your disc, just like that. Now take your brake caliper. I really like how that looks. And paint these maybe, get a little bit more color. Let's take 2 SP screws. These are going into plastic, so no need for oil. I line that up. Everything's black, it's quite difficult to see. Oh, that's the disc. Hold that up. Let's take this part what we was working on. So where are we now? I believe on this side of this metal part. And I just see which way this will go. I believe it only goes one way. You can't really put it in that way. Oh. Just like that. With, are they? It's a AAM screw. I've not seen a screw like this before. Okay, that's done. And now we have the caliper we was working on. So, where are we? We have it so we have, where are we? Just like that. So sorry, there is just there. If you can, quite dark. Get that way too. Where are we? GM screws. That's 1, 2. Again, get some oil on there. Believe me, this helps a lot. Put the brake caliper facing towards the back. That was tricky just to line up the first one. So I just need to make sure how this fits, but well, we have this arm. Hopefully you can see it's this angle. Just like that. With, let's just find them. Okay, it's a ABM screw. Let's just take one of them out. It is going in metal. There's a lot of metal in this build. It's going to probably be a very heavy build. Yes, hopefully we could get this straight in like this. So that was good. I'll just slide that back. And that just fits on top of the wheel like that. Hopefully you can see that. So slide that back. This arm is flexible. Just fits to the top of the arm. And with that, we put a UM screw. You can see that's working very good. Let's just make sure it's tightened just enough. Yep, that's good. We're moving on to this beast of a tire. Hopefully you can see it is a slightly raised. I'm going to pick up that. One is higher than the other, and that's where the brake disc will slot in. So let's just, they have it as this. So just line up your brake disc to the top. It is tricky. I'm not going to say it's not. I probably do have it in place, or maybe I don't. Here we have it. So, let's see what we had. So I believe it was this issue 2. There was a washer and this part. Let's try to get this lined up. Get yourself some tweezers. I think that will help. Now we have AAM screws. There we go. That's perfect. So now we have to just put the cap on. Yep. I have to say I did enjoy that from a few of these builds. This was quite good. So let's just put that perhaps like that, and we have this part. So that's the end of that pack. So we had issue 3 and 4. Hope you enjoyed it, and like always, if you can hit that like and subscribe, it will be helping us tremendously. Thanks a lot.